Hello everyone, my name is Octave. I'm a student at Milanova Coffee Shop. Today I'm going to show you how to make cappuccino. During those procedures we have our coffee machine and we have a coffee grinder and also we have our milk. So as we speak we are going to see how is that. Wow. When you do the tamping, make sure rice in your coffee handle are 18 grams of coffee. Make sure you do your tamp very well. Once you do your tamp very well, you will get nice cream. By that time when you are waiting your coffee coming out, you have to steaming your milk. This is what we call steaming milk, and always make sure that your steamer is clean. Here we are. This is our cappuccino. Yeah, what makes this cappuccino is that it's like strong, and then when you want to see, like, you can take it everywhere, it won't fall down. This is cappuccino. That's the difference between cappuccino and latte. Some people will show you latte or cappuccino, then if you don't know them, then you will not know how to separate them. Latte is like soft and cappuccino is strong, somehow strong. As you can see, I am shaking, it won't fall down. This is our cappuccino. So welcome, that's our race today. Every day we are learning more. Our teacher is not allowed, but he usually be here and make sure that baristas, we are going out on the market, he makes sure that everything is okay with everyone. And here in Milanova Cooking Academy we have so many courses like bakers, they have bakers, and we have baristas, bartenders. So if you want to make a bread, if you want to make a pizza, it will be easier. Just come and let us know how you feel in comment below.
Ikaze kuri Milanova Cooking Academy School. Tubigisha ibintu byinshi bitandukanye, tubigisha gukora amakekes, tubigisha guteka ibintu bitandukanye, tubigisha gukora amakofi. Aha mubona ni muri coffee shop, twigira gukoramo amakofi agiye atandukanye. Ngewe bibabwira nitwa Muhorakeye Alice, tugiye kwiga gukora kofi yitwa cappuccino. Nimucikwe kuri iyi video muyirebe mpaka irangiye. Iyi ni blender, turamanza tugasya ikawa. And then iyo turangije ushyiramo ya kawa yacu, uramanza ukaringaniza neza. Wamara kuringaniza ugatapinga. Uratsindagira cyane. Cappuccino igomba kuba imeze neza, ikomeye. Arangiza shyiraho itasi hagati y'amasegonda 8 na 15. Mu gihe iri kuza waba steaminga y'amata yawe uri buze gukoresha. Aya ni amata tuba tugiye gukoresha muri ya cappuccino yacu. Uravanga wamara kuvanga ugakora design yawe. Urabona muri Miranova Cooking Academy biroroshye, tumaze gukora ya cappuccino yacu. Guys, muze tubigisha cyane cyane urubyiruko, muze babigisha ibintu byiza cyane. Hari amakeke babigisha gukora amakeke, babigisha gukora ibintu byinshi byiza bitandukanye, n'amaji ku bantu mwifuza guteza imbere cyane, muze babafashe kuzamuka cyane. Murakoze. Dukorera hano Kicukiro Centre iruhande rwa Diamond House. Waba wakunze iki kiganiro cyangwa iyi video, wibagirwe gukora share, subscribe. We love you.